Welcome to our product selection videos, where we help you find the right tool for the job. This video covers our tube brush selection. Vikan's broad tube and pipe brush range spans different types of brushes for various cleaning needs, depending on size, shape, and bristle stiffness. First, we will have a look at the Vikan tube brush with fixed handle. This range comes in different brush diameters, brush stiffnesses, and handle lengths. They are effective for cleaning bottles and tubes, or gaps and crevices on machinery or conveyor belts with hard-to-reach surfaces. Next, we have the Vikan tube brushes with flexible handle. Just like the first one, this range spans different lengths, diameters, and bristle stiffnesses. This versatile tube brush is designed for cleaning pipes found in dairies, breweries, and the fishing industry. The flexible stainless steel handle can be extended to make it easy to clean inside long, curved feeder pipes. A flexible nylon handle is also available. Now let's look at the Vikan pipe brush with handle. This one-piece brush effectively removes stubborn debris and food deposits from pipework. With no joint between the handle and brush head, and extra stiff filaments, which also covers the front end of the brush, this tool delivers excellent cleaning results. This is the Vikan pipe cleaning brush for handles. It has a lot of the same features as the previous brush, but this one has a threaded neck and can be used with any Vikan handle to reach further into pipes. This brush also has bristles at the front, allowing it to clean more efficiently. Finally, there is the Vikan pipe exterior brushes, which, as the name implies, is used to clean the outside of pipes. With this brush range, it is easy to keep pipework free of dust and contaminations. These come in two different shapes. This one has an adjustable head for cleaning pipes with an outside diameter of up to 100 millimeters. The other ones are shaped like this and come in two sizes. Both are compatible with Vikan's standard or telescopic handles. They effectively clean the outer surfaces of overhead pipes and ducting. Thanks for watching our overview of Vikan tube brushes. And as always, if you have additional product questions, please visit our website vikan.com or contact our customer service team.